Stash, features, strengths, weaknesses. Stash is a micro-investing and banking app aimed at beginners, primarily those with limited capital and investing experience. Key features include fractional shares, allowing investment in companies like Apple or Google with as little as $5. They offer a Stash debit card with stock-back rewards, where purchases earn fractional shares in the retailer you're buying from, promoting passive investment. Stash also provides educational resources, including articles and guides covering basic investment concepts and financial literacy, directly within the app. Stash Plus subscribers get access to 2 custodial investment accounts for kids and a metal debit card. The platform utilizes a tiered subscription model. Stash Growth, $3 per month, includes personal investment accounts, banking, and retirement accounts. Stash Plus, $9 per month, adds custodial accounts for up to 2 kids, a premium research report, and 2x stockback rewards. Stash is designed for individuals just starting their investment journey, those seeking a simplified interface, and users who appreciate educational support. The app's strengths lie in its accessibility, low entry point due to fractional shares, and gamified reward system that encourages regular saving and investment. The educational content is a major plus, guiding new users through the basics of personal finance. The debit card and stockback program effectively tie spending to investing, making it convenient to build a portfolio passively. However, Stash has notable weaknesses. The subscription-based pricing model can be more expensive than commission-free brokers, especially for those with larger portfolios where percentage-based advisory fees might be lower. The investment options are relatively limited compared to larger brokerage platforms, focusing mainly on ETFs and individual stocks. Active traders seeking advanced tools, charting, or order types will find Stash inadequate. Additionally, the stockback rewards are capped, diminishing their value for high-volume spenders. Furthermore, the educational material, while helpful for beginners, lacks depth and advanced strategies for experienced investors. Finally, customer service can be slow, and resolving issues might require multiple interactions. In conclusion, Stash is a solid on-ramp for new investors, offering a user-friendly experience and educational resources. However, the subscription fees, limited investment options, and less robust trading tools make it less suitable for experienced investors or those with substantial portfolios. Consider your investment needs and financial literacy level before committing to Stash. It's excellent for learning the ropes but may become limiting as your knowledge and portfolio grow.